Find maximum value of a column and return the corresponding row values using Pandas. Using Python Pandas, I am trying to find the country and place with the maximum value. This returns the maximum value. But how do I get the corresponding country and place name?
Use the index attribute of dataframe. Note that I don't type all the rows in the example. You can also get the value by that index. Edit. Sorry for misunderstanding what you want. Try followings.
The country and place is the index of the series. If you don't need the index, you can set as_index equals false. Edit. It seems that you want the place with max value for every country. Following code will do what you want.
Assuming df has a unique index, this gives the row with the maximum value. Note that IdsMax returns index labels. So if the data frame has duplicates in the index, the label may not uniquely identify the row. So df.lock may return more than one row. Therefore, if df does not have a unique index, you must make the index unique before proceeding as above. Depending on the data frame, sometimes you can use stack or set_index to make the index unique. Or you can simply reset the index so the rows become renumbered starting at 0.
This will return the entire row with max value.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.